Abelardo Dennis Florencio Ho, born May 12, 1981, known professionally as Dennis Trillo, is a Filipino actor, singer, and model. He is also known as the Asia's Drama King for his acclaimed performances and wide range of roles in GMA Network drama series. Trillo has won 30 awards and 30 acting nominations, including Best Actor awards from FAMAS Awards, Luna Awards, Gawad Urian Award, PMPC Star Award for Films, Golden Screen Awards, and Metro Manila Film Festival. Trillo became the first Filipino to win the Asian Star Prize at Seoul Drama International Awards, chosen by the juries, and Best Actor winner at Asian Academy Creative Awards, winning Best Actor at National Category and Asia Category, beating 11 nominees across Southeast Asian countries and becoming the 13th Filipino actor to win all major acting awards in the Philippines. Joining veteran actors alongside Vilma Santos, Nora Honor, Philip Salvador, Christopher De Leon, Lorna Tolentino, Sharon Cuneta, John Lloyd Cruz, Nita Blanca, Aga Mula, Richard Gomez, Elizabeth Aropiza, and Judy and Santos. Trillo is known for his role as Eric Del Mundo in the first ever gay-themed series on Philippine TV, My Husband's Lover, Juan Crisostomo Ibarra y Magsaline Simoon in Netflix's Maria Clara at Ibarra, and Colonel Yuda Sato in Pulang Raw, aired on GMA Network and on Netflix. He played a cross-dressing spy in the 2004 war film Masu 1941, Mahal Kita. In May 2016, he appeared in another primetime television series, One Happy Love Story, opposite his Dwarfina co-star Hard Evangelista. Personal life. Dennis Trillo, born as Abelardo Dennis Florencio Ho on May 12, 1981, in Quezon City, is the son of Abelardo Leslie Ho, Chinese-Filipino from Dumaguete, Negros Oriental, and Florita Florencio, a Filipino. He completed his high school education at Jose Abad Santos Memorial School in Quezon City and attended grades 1 to 7 at the Ateneo de Manila University. For his college education, he enrolled at Miriam College, earning ABA in International Studies. He has a son with his ex-girlfriend, Carlene Aguilar, born in 2007. Christine Reyes and Trillo began dating in 2007 and later broke up in May 2009. On November 15, 2021, Dennis Trillo married his longtime girlfriend, Jenny Lynn Merkoff. Together, they have a daughter named Dylan Jade, born on April 25, 2022. In December 2024, Trillo and Merkoth all relaunched and rebranded their lounge, beauty salon, and nail spa with the new name Deland Style Lounge at Barangay UP Campus, Quezon City. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.